It's June 13, 2018. I'm walleye fishing near the east shore of Lake Winnebago. If this is your first time here, I'm an avid fisherman. I live in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, and I fish the Winnebago chain as much as I can. My current project is to become a better fisherman. To do that, I plan on documenting 100 fishing trips in 2018 and sharing the results on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button if you want to follow along. We had a solid west wind today, and I know that brings the walleyes to the east shore. I decided to go out of Black Wolf Landing and head right to the east shore. There was a hump. There was a hump on my way, so I decided to see if I could find any fish on the hump and just to play with the depth finder a little bit. And I definitely saw a decent amount of fish. So I decided to take a couple trolling passes to see if I could pick one up. It took 3 passes. I ended up, first pass I used flicker shad 7s, second pass I used flicker shad 5s, and the third I used Salmo Hornets. A 4.5 centimeter hornet is what made them go. It didn't seem real efficient to troll. There'd be with the presence of the fish and the inefficiency of trolling, it seemed like there must be a better way. So I decided I was going to give jigging a try. It's a little deeper than I normally jig, and I am not really sure of the tactic to use. I've heard of snap jigging before, and I've done a little bit on the river, but haven't really done it on the lake. And that's really what I tried here. And I did get a couple bumps. I definitely felt the fish hit the lure. It was basically on the drop, but I wasn't able to set the hook on them. But there's another area that I probably have to polish up my technique on a little bit. All in all, it was an enjoyable night. Some really good weather, and it's just nice to be out there. I'd seen this hump before, but there's always a ton of people fishing on it, so I really wasn't able to examine it and stop before. So I'm glad I got the chance. So that's the report for today. This was trip 41 of 100 of my effort to be better fisherman. Hit the subscribe button if you want to follow along. Just one countable walleye for a total of 75 for the year. Now with this information, let's get out and fish.